Hello, Stephanie here at Motorwerks Mini, your mini genius. Congrats on your new Mini. I just wanted to show you how to connect your phone today via Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay. So since I have my iPhone pulled up, I have selected my settings menu, and I'm going to want to find my communication menu on my mini screen here. So I'll select that. Now we are going to look for Manage Mobile Devices, Connect New Device. Once I have this screen up, I'm also going to make sure I have my Bluetooth menu up, so I'll select that here. Oops. All right, so Bluetooth menu is pulled up. And once I select Apple CarPlay, that will generate my vehicle information here. You can also select Bluetooth audio if you just want to pair your phone using audio. But let's do Apple CarPlay, connect Apple CarPlay. And now Mini 86070 will show up down here at the bottom under other devices. So I'll select that on my phone. I'll press pair here, allow, and I'll also want to press OK on the screen here. Now it is thinking. It might take a minute to load, but you're just going to want to wait for your next prompt. So now it showed use CarPlay on my phone, so I'll select that. Takes just a minute here. There we go. Now it will display my phone screen right on my mini main screen here. If you ever wish to go back to your main mini menu, you can select it right down here, mini, and that will bring you back to your mini display here. Once your Apple CarPlay is also connected, it will generate a new menu option so you can find and select your phone again. So that's really nice. And there you go. I hope this helps connect your phone, and feel free to reach out if you have more questions. Thanks for watching.